Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to the garage. 2006 Honda Civic here. Yeah, so I usually post this stuff on civicyankee.com channel, but I think I'm just gonna focus on one channel and just bring everything together. I'm almost close to finishing this. I just ordered some parts, and I'm also need to go to the junkyard and get the BMW cable. But shit, man. Fuck. Can't be programming all the time. Can't be doing nothing but Python and all that shit. Oh man. So let's enjoy cola. Oh, excuse me. Got this Permatex we're gonna use. And you know what, guys? I was a complete dumbass. I forgot to bring the fitting with me. Okay, let me go get the fitting right quick. I'll be right back. Alright. Got this at Ace Hardware. If you ever need anything for barb fittings, National Pipe Thread, MPT fittings, just go to Ace Hardware. They got everything you need. I got from my oil line over here, my oil drain, I got 1.5 MPT 45 degree MIP, male iron pipe to FIP, female iron pipe. Got that converter, and then I got the 5/8 to 1.5 MPT adapter. I got 2 of those, and you probably can't see it all the way down there on the oil pan. I have the same setup, and that barely clears the exhaust. That downpipe I'm going to install pretty soon. So here we go. Got this 1/8 MPT male iron pipe to 3/8 barb connector. Oh man, excuse me. I drank too much Coke. I want to burp all the time. Here it is, 3S right here. I got this from the turbo kit. It had a ball in it. It was like a check valve. I took the ball out, and this is just to have my blow-off valve here. I hope I'm connecting it to the right place. I think I am. The vacuum line, this is off the PCV system that goes to the oil catch can. If I'm doing it wrong, just leave me a comment. Leave me a comment, let me know. So I'm gonna apply some some of the aviation stuff on here, Permatex, and let's see if I can prop my camera up somewhere. I like to use the my like GoPro thing, but I think it's easier just to do it on the phone now, because that YouTube creator works pretty good. So I'm going to apply some of this onto this adapter over here. Right, got this over here. I hope it's focusing. Oh man. Yeah, it's gonna get all over the place. Hope that's okay to put on the vacuum thing. We will see. But yeah, we'll go put it on here. Gonna get some of the excess off of here. And actually, to be honest, I don't even know if this is a MPT thread or not. It'll work though. It'll work. Let's get it a little tight, not too tight. That's probably good. And then the other side, Already connected to the hose. Oh, I should have not connected to the hose like that already. I'll take it off over here. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now I'll be able to thread that in there. That one goes on there pretty tight. Okay. So I got this connected. Yeah, so like I said, I think it was supposed to be non-tapered on this end. Oh, but I think it'll work. Oh, my head's itchy. So I got that. And then, you know, I never thought about this. I was supposed to have a, I do actually need something to tie this down. I need a clamp, a little bit bigger clamp. Okay, so I think, yeah, we'll get the dynamomer for that and do that. Now I can connect this up. Let me do that right quick. Okay, so I got this connected, ball valve, and to this. Hopefully that's okay. Yeah, no, I'll probably just zip tie this over here. This one's a little bit too long. Maybe later on I'll get a shorter oil feed line. Okay, and then we're waiting for a gasket for exhaust. We're waiting for some couplers for this, and over here as well. Okay, so I think we're in a good spot. Then obviously we still need to add engine oil. Yeah, don't want to forget that. We got to pull the EFI fuse so that when we first start it up, we get a little bit of oil in the turbo first. And we also need to put the radiator back, as well as that fan. So it's a tight space right here, but I think it'll fit. We'll make it work. But yeah, I mean, that's all I wanted to do is get that tidied up.